Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss about some questions on exercise 4.3. And question number 4 is the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So let's understand first. Sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago. 3 years ago और 5 years from now, 5 वर्ष के बाद रहमान के रेसिप्रोकल्स का जो सम होगा दैट 1 by 3 to find his present age. So now write let his present age is x years. Today's is present age. 3 years ago, his age was 3 वर्ष के पहले कितना था उसका एज? सो he was x minus 3. Ago means minus x minus 3. Now 5 years from now, his age will be कितने वर्ष का हो जाएगा? ये कति वर्ष पुग्छ? I will explain in हिंदी and नेपाली also. 5 years के बाद उसका एज कितना होगा? आज प्रेजेंट एज x है, today's present is x. 5 years के बाद, that means from now plus hence after 5 years later, x plus 5 years. तो 3 years ago 3 वर्ष अगाडि उसको एज कति थियो? x minus 3 years. 5 वर्ष पछाडि कति हुन्छ उसको? x plus 5 years. Now next. So sum of reciprocals by the given condition. Conditions. What is condition? Sum of reciprocal of Rahman's age. Sum means plus sum. किसका sum है? Reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago 5 years from now. 3 साल पहले ये x minus 3 है, इसका reciprocal. Reciprocal means if any number is 2 means 2 by 1. The reciprocal means it becomes 1 by 2. That is reciprocal. So x minus 3 reciprocal, what becomes this? Reciprocal 1 upon x minus 3. Reciprocal x plus 5 का उल्टा क्या होगा? x plus 1 upon x plus 5. These are the reciprocals. तो reciprocal का sum of reciprocals. Sum means plus. इसका reciprocal 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5. Sum of reciprocals of their ages, it is becoming 1 by 3. ये हो गया कंडीशन. 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 3. Let's solve this. So 2 methods to solve this. Here x minus 3 x plus 5. If you multiplying throughout by these two numbers, otherwise we can take LCM. Both are different. दोनों different टर्म है. So x minus 3 भी होगा और x plus 5 भी होगा इसका LCM. Then we write here 1 into इस x minus 3 से divide करेंगे. If LCM divided by this, so x minus 3 divides this, we get x plus 5 plus 1 into x plus 5 divides this, so we get x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. डिवाइड करते वक्त प्रॉब्लम है तो देख लो x minus 3 x plus 5 divides x plus 5 cancel. So we can write here x minus 3 x minus 3 x plus 5 divided by x plus 5, so you can get what is here. So now here x plus 5 plus x minus 3 by x into x x स्क्वायर हो गया, x into plus 5 it becomes plus 5x, again minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus 3 into plus 5 minus 15 equals 1 divided by 3. Here plus x it becomes plus 2x, plus 5 minus 3 becomes plus 2 divided by x square plus 5x minus 3x plus 2x minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. Now we do cross multiplication here to form quadratic equation. So x square plus 2x minus 3 in this into 1. So we get x square plus 2x minus 15 multiplied by 1 equal to 3 into, like this way, 2x plus 2. Now what we get, x square plus 2x minus 15 equal to 3 to the 6x plus 3 to the 6. Now x square plus 2x minus 15, this minus 6x plus 6 becomes here, coming this side, minus 6 equals 0. Now x square, this plus 2x and minus 6x getting minus 4x, and this minus 15 minus 6 minus 21 is equal to 0. So we have this quadratic equation. हम लोग अभी क्या quadratic equation, एउटा हामीले quadratic equation पायो. अब यो equation लाई solve गर्नुको तीनटा मेथड छ. There are three methods to solve this quadratic equation. First was middle term factorization. Second is this completing square method, and third and last is quadratic formula method. So very easy. First you try by the middle term factorization. If you face any problem, so you can do by the quadratic formula method. So it is very easy. Here 1, last term is minus 21. 1 into minus 21 is equal to minus 21. Now write here, writing here 1 into minus 21 equal to minus 21. Take two factors of this middle term will be this minus 4x. So this 21 if factorize you, 3 7 21, 7 1 7. That means here 3 1 factor, second is 7, and we need middle term minus 4. So it is positive, it is negative. Plus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Two factors, plus 3 minus 7. If we multiply, दोनों को जोड़ेंगे माइनस 4 मिलेगा मिडल टर्म, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड गेट दिस प्लस इनटू माइनस माइनस इज मिलेगा 21. सो x स्क्वायर माइनस 2 फैक्टर्स प्लस 3x माइनस 7x माइनस 21 इस 4x का दो पार्ट मिल गया, x माइनस 7x. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर x taken as common plus 3 minus 7 taken as common. Now see here minus 7x, from minus 7x we are taking minus 7, so we get here x, and from this minus 21 we are taking common minus 7, minus minus becoming plus 7 3 21, that means it is plus 3 equal to 0. Again x plus 3 is common, so from here x and from here x minus 7 we get either x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. X is equal to this minus 3 and it becomes x is equal to plus 7. It is coming negative, and you know this thing, age cannot be negative. Age can not be negative, so it is rejected. It may be rejected, so it is our answer. That means present age in the Rahman is 7 years. It is answer. So we can do. If you have problem by this method, you can take ABC, B square minus 4C, find out. Then by the quadratic formula, you can do. Now see, look here, question number 5. What is question number 5? In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the 2 subjects. अब शेफाली नाम के स्टूडेंट है, उसने शेफाली जो है उसने मैथ्स और इंग्लिश मार्क्स ऑफ मैथ्स एंड इंग्लिश इज 210 सॉरी 30 टोटल इज 30 मैथ्स एंड साइंस दोनों मिला करके उसने मार्क्स पाया 30 और कंडीशन ये दिया है कि had she got 2 marks more in maths in that case and 3 marks less in English, product of their marks would have been 210. Let's see here. उसका सम जो है 30 है, तो 30 सम है, तो फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स, सेकेंड इज इंग्लिश. So if we suppose marks in maths is x, what becomes English? Total minus this. That means 30 minus x. Main thing to understand here, I think it is clear to you. First of all, we let our marks sum of marks is 30. Let her marks in maths is equal to x. Then her marks in English 30 minus x. इसको घटा देंगे टोटल में से. तो उसने मैथ्स में सपोज x मार्क्स पायो, इंग्लिश में कति पाओ 30 माइनस x. टोटल बताइए x घटा देंगे. Now see next. Second sentence. Had she got 2 marks more, 2 marks more in maths, and actually her marks in maths is x, and 2 marks more, that is what becomes this 2 marks more, x plus 2. अगर उसने 20 पाया होगा 20 plus 2, 10 पाया 10 plus 2, because it is more, and 3 marks less in English, 3 marks less in इंग्लिश, दैट इज 3 मार्क्स उसने कम पाया इंग्लिश में. एक्चुअली हर मार्क्स इन इंग्लिश वाज 30 minus 6. एक्चुअली हर मार्क्स 30 minus 6 पहले उसने पाया, उसके बाद 3 मार्क्स लेस, दैट मीन्स minus 3. इट बिकम्स 30 minus 3, 27 minus x. It is marks in English and it is the this. Now see this thing. If she get 2 marks more in maths, 2 marks less in English, products are coming like this. So product of the marks, product of their marks, product is equal to 210. That means in maths x plus 2, product means multiplied by 27 minus 6 is equal to 210. मैथ्स में इसको 2 मार्क्स बेसी लेगा, x plus 2 भयो, 3 मार्क्स इंग्लिश में कॉम्पिटिशन है -3 भयो, 30 minus 6 घटाउना था 27 minus 6. यो दुईटा को प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, एंड आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग ऑलवेज वी ट्राई टू गेट ax square plus bx plus c, like that. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Always try to get like this. Now x into 27, 27x minus x into x square plus 2 into 27, 54, and plus 2 into minus x minus 2x. This 210 coming this side, 210 minus equal to 0. Now first we write minus x square, it is plus 27x it is minus 2x, this plus 54, this minus 210 equals to 0. Then minus x square plus 27 minus 2x plus 25x, and after subtracting this minus 210, this plus 54, what we get here? Minus 156. Minus 156 equal to 0, and we need ax square plus bx plus c. So we try to remove this minus. Minus thing should be removed here. So what we do to remove this? इसमें क्या करेंगे? इसको रिमूव करने के लिए माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये प्लस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस होगा, ये प्लस हो जाएगा. So x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. So three methods. First try the unit factorization. It is 1, it is 156. 1 into 156 equal to 156. And now try to get two factors of this 156. 2, 7, 14, 2, 8, 16, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 2, 9, 18, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 9, 13, 1, 13. That means we need minus 25. 25. So 2, 2, 4, 3, 12. And this 13, 1, this 13. That means 12 and 13 getting total 25. This middle term. But it is minus. So it must be both minus. So two factors we have. एक हो गया minus 12 minus दूसरा फैक्टर पायो दूसरा माइनस 12 पायो और 4. So now see here we have two factors, minus 12 minus 13 minus 25. It's coming this, and after multiplying both this minus 12 minus 13 minus into minus plus, and 12 13 156. So we have two factors. Then it is x square. First factor is minus 12x, second factor minus 13x plus 156 equals 0. Now from these two pairs, x is taken as common, it becomes x minus 12, it is minus 13. Minus 13 taken as common, so you can see here it is plus 156, out of 156 minus 13 is taken as common. So minus divides plus becoming minus, and 13 1 13, 13 to 26. That means minus 12. So definitely this same terms will come here, minus x plus minus 12 equals to 0. Now x minus 12 is common. So from here x minus 13 equals to 0. Either x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. So x is getting 12 and next it is 30. And here both terms are positive. दोनों प्लस में आ गए, दोनों पॉजिटिव आ गए. If anyone was negative, so it was rejected. But both are positive. So in the first case, we see here how to answer. It is answer. If her marks in maths is equal to, first we get 12, it is 12. So her marks in English, what become this? That means 30 minus 12, it is 18. And in the second case, if her marks in maths equal to this 30, we are taking 30 in the second case, 30 that time, her marks in English is equal to 30 minus x, and x is taking 30, and अलग दोनों लेंगे, ये आ गया 70. So answer becomes, answer is in first case 12 18 or 13 17, because कुनै टाइममा दुईटा पोजिटिभ पाउँदाखेरि सेपरेटली निकाल्नुपर्छ बिकज इन फर्स्ट केस द मार्क्स इज 12 and 13. So we can write 12, 13 directly answer. 12 is maths and also it will be 12 in maths. That time marks in English 30 minus x 18. If marks in maths is equal to second case 13, उस टाइम में 30 minus 13 करने से क्या होगा 17. So it is our final answer. And remaining parts of this exercise you can do. You will try yourself. If any problems you can write in comments, then I will solve that questions. So if you like this video, you subscribe so you can get my coming videos. Okay, thanks.